everyone, and welcome to what's in my travel makeup bag video. So in today's video I'm going to show you what makeup I take with me when I go traveling, either if that's when I go home to go see my family, or if I go on holiday, or wherever I may be going. I take this makeup with me every single time I go. So let's start off with the bag, shall we? So this bag is a Care Bear bag. I do have a matching phone case with it, but I don't have it on my phone right now. And this bag is from Skinny Dip, and so is the phone case. This bag can fit a lot of makeup in. It's literally bigger than my head. So I'm just gonna dive right in and show you what I take with me. But first I'll show you what tools I take with me when I go away. So I take quite a few big face brushes. I won't take all of these, but I do take the majority, and I do take quite a few small pencils as well with me, but I'm not going to pick through and show you which ones I take. I just take quite a few with me too. I also do take some beauty blenders as well, like different size ones. This is what it looks like inside. It does have like a little bit of a metal frame to hold it open, so we're just gonna dive in and see what we get. So on top we have Micellar Garnier Water, or Micellar, I don't know how you say it, but I always have this with me to remove my makeup. I always take a form of moisturiser to put on before my makeup, so nothing's flaky and dry. This one's just the Neutrogena Clear and Defend Moisturiser. Serum Mist Hydrating Coconut, Hyaluronic Acid, Vitamin B5 and Acia Collagen by Barry M. Little vitamin spray. It's actually really nice. It's quite refreshing to put on before makeup. Cool Revitalizing Eye Roll On. This has a metal ball at the bottom, so it's like really cooling. It's really lovely to use actually. I always take a little mirror with me, so you can see what I'm doing close up. So this one's just a little Barbie mirror. This one's from Primark. It's all rubbing off though. It did used to say Barbie on the handle here, but that's completely gone now. Oh, I said it on this side actually, but it's gone. This is a Ted Baker eyeshadow palette with a little brush and all these very glittery eyeshadows, which I love to use. This RMCA Makeup, the original No Colour powder, which is very popular. I use the Ordinary Colours Serum Foundation Lightweight Serum Formula, but it is the best. I'm wearing it currently. It's out now because it leaks all the time, as you can see. This is my Lacura makeup setting spray, long lasting. As you see, it's leaking and I don't know why it leaks. It's really annoying. Next we have this Revolution blush. This is a matte blush in the shade Divine. I'll just show you here. It's really pretty colour. I've got it on today. I never really wear blush because I don't really like it, but I'm starting to like it a little bit, although it didn't apply as well as I had hoped it would. This My Only Gold Bars eyebrow pencil, which I showed you in my makeup routine video that I did last week. Eyelash curler. A range of different mascaras, let me show you. So the one I've got on right now is the Falsies by Maybelline, this one. The one I always used to use before it ran out on me was the Sky High Lash Sensational by Maybelline also, and also this one by Maybelline, the Great Lash, which is a tiny applicator, which is good for the bottom lashes. In blackest black. For contour, I have this Primark foundation and contour in the name Chai. It is really creamy. It blends out great. I used it in my last makeup tutorial if you want to go check that out. Got a couple makeup eyeshadow palettes. One eyeshadow palette, one face palette. So this is the Roxy by Revolution highlights and contour palette, and as you can see, I love this palette a lot. And the Tartelette palette from Tarte, and this has just got a lot of neutral colours in, which is also very well loved, as you can see, and it smells like chocolate. A little face form palette from Sleek, and this has just got a highlight, a blush and a contour shade in there. I have a NYX Contour Control Freak eyebrow gel, not contour. This is just a clear eyebrow gel. Collection Incredibrow Tinted Brown Mascara in Dark Brunette. This I use on days where I can't be bothered to do my eyebrows like this, and I just run a bit of colour through the hairs. My favourite concealer currently is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This is in the shade 20. Got a motorbike out there. This is a little eyebrow mascara as well. It's a bit wet from the setting spray right now, but it looks like better. You just run this like over the hairs very lightly and just gives them a bit of colour. You could probably use it on mascara as well. I have a lip product in here, so I have a lip pencil called Whirl by MAC, and then a lipstick in by Avon in the shade Toasted Rose. Lip oil from Shein, which is so lovely, highly recommend, and this liquid highlighter from Becca Cosmetics. Which is a favourite of mine. It does have like full product in there, but it's just been on its side, so it's all gone to one side. And that is my makeup bag empty. So thank you guys so much for watching what's in my makeup bag video for travelling. If you would like me to do more videos like this, then just let me know in the comments, subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you in my next one.